In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to clone a voice and then use it. So we have a AI voice cloner app, and once you get it and download it and activate it, you can use it as much as you want without having to pay any API costs, no inference fees or anything like that, no monthly subscription. Just pay for it once and it's yours, and it can run locally. And this is what you do. So you're going to download it, you're going to open a zip file, and you're going to get a folder like this. All you have to do is go into the folder and run docker compose up. And it takes a minute to start up, especially if it's the first time and you don't really have to even pay attention to all this gibberish that's flying through your screen here. But after about, I don't know, a minute or 5 minutes, depending on if it's the first time you use it or you're using it again for the second time. As you can see, I've used it before, so it only takes a minute to start up. What you do is you just wait for all this stuff to be ready, and then you go to your browser and you go to localhost : 80. And you see here, we have a bit of a front end, and this video will be replaced by, I don't know, a more relevant video. But what you can do is you can upload a voice sample. So I have this voice sample here that I will post on YouTube or something, because if I play it here, you're going to hear it echoing in itself, and it's going to sound kind of weird, but it doesn't actually sound weird in real life. But it's just 40 seconds of audio of me talking.
Language models, major tech.
I just talked into a speaker on my computer, and I have it here. And what you can do is you can drop in the thing under the voice prompt area. And then under text to synthesize, you can just type something that you want it to say. So here's an example from AI News, where Taco Bell rolled out some AI intelligence, some artificial intelligence to its drive-thru, and somebody ordered 18,000 waters, which is similar to what we used to do. There's all these advanced settings too that you can play around to get more exaggeration and whatnot. But this video, I'm just going to show you how it works going straight in. So we've put in something to say, and we've put in a voice to clone. Now all we have to do is click generate speech and wait a minute. So I'm just going to pause this video while it generates. If you scroll down after you press generate, you can see that it's actually using memory, it's using CPU, and you can get a little bit of logs here. So if there's ever any issues, you can click download on the logs and submit a support request. But it's cool to see that you can actually monitor that things are happening on your computer and not on our server somewhere. So all this data is yours, it's private, and doesn't even come to us. And after about a minute or so, it has taken the voice sample that I uploaded of myself talking and the text that I wanted, I guess, myself to say, and it generated this. And I will download this, because if I play it, it's going to sound like an echo, and you're going to think this tool sucks. Why does it put an echo on a voice? Well, it doesn't actually. You would just be hearing it through the speakers.
Taco Bell is rethinking its use of artificial intelligence.
So I'm going to upload this to YouTube, so you can just play the raw sample and actually see how it sounds. And I'll put up the voice prompt too, so you can compare the two. Honestly, when I play it, it sounds like me talking. And if I didn't just do it in front of myself, I'd probably think that I had recorded that at some point. And that's all there is to it.
In their most recent paper, researchers at DeepMind dissect the conventional wisdom that more complex models equal better performance. The company has uncovered a previously untapped method of scaling large language models. Taco Bell is rethinking its use of artificial intelligence, AI, to power drive-thru restaurants in the US after comical videos of the tech making mistakes were viewed millions of times. In one clip, a customer seemingly crashed the system by ordering 18,000 water cups, while in another, a person got increasingly angry as the AI repeatedly asked him to add more drinks to his order.